Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report. Charles Brazos on Friday the 26th of June with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at 10 Tech Markets. Moving on to cable. I reckon I sort of put the mockers on cable a little bit yesterday by saying that it was one of the trending currencies. Subsequently, cable is basically now moving sideways. The corrective outlook on cable is sort of still in play, you'd say, considering the stochastics have rolled over, but it's just starting to sort of settle a bit. You've had this sort of 3-day correction, and it's now sort of coming in to a bit of consolidation period. Now, the big question on the hourly chart is it still in correction mode? And I would say yes, because you've got the sequence of lower highs in place. You've also got this top pattern that completed below 58 figure. You've got the rebound that found resistance at 58 figure and then fell away. And you're still sort of in this mode of sort of corrective momentum indicators. RSI, sort of falling over under sort of mid 60s, getting consistently back towards 30. So I would say that you're still in a slightly you're still in this corrective mindset. That correction mindset would be changing if you sort of rally above 58 figure. If you saw that rally above 58 figure, that would sort of change it all around, because then you're then sort of breaking the lower high sequence, and that would also take the momentum indicators into sort of more positive configuration as well, and above all the moving averages on the hourly chart. So it would give you more of a positive slant. But at the moment, I'm still just slightly bordering on the corrective outlook, and thinking that this rally is likely to resolve to the downside. Rally from 56.66, which was this low here that we saw on the 24th. Just zooming in, there is interestingly to the pip, actually, this sort of trading range that we've seen in the last sort of 18 hours or so. 57.16 seems to be capping the lows. So there is a slight element of support near term, and that also, you would argue, is a bit of a pivot as well around this. So I mean, there is an element of support in that, and so you'd be looking out for a break above 58 figure to sort of turn you round in that scenario. But I think that this is going to just play sideways until you get more of an understanding on the Greek situation. The technicals on cable still look corrective though, so it'll be interesting to see which way this goes. But it's a difficult one to call near term anyway. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.